Now we can think about people as having four specific elements: knowledge, skills, dispositions, and health. Knowledge, of course, is the stuff that is known, and skills is the ability to apply what we know. Dispositions are how we view the world, our attitudes and perceptions about things, and then health includes our physical, mental, and social well-being. The third dimension of organizations is structures. Now, we mean the physical structures, just like a classroom or a building, because structures impact how people do their work. But it's not just the physical component. It's also the written policies, the legible structures. These are the laws, the regulations, the board policies, the school or site-based structures, the bell schedule, contractual obligations, all those things that are written down that help shape and define when and how a teacher does their work. And then finally, we have intangible structures. These are the things that aren't written down, but still exert an influence. So the kinds of things that we celebrate, the stories we tell about our school, the unwritten expectations and the way we do things here.